we will discuss homework solutions of chapter number 20, number series, lecture number 2. Okay. Now beta, we will discuss homework solution of chapter number 20, number series, lecture number 2, which I had assigned in the previous lecture. Okay, that was lecture number 2. Now beta, in homework solutions, we have to solve the pattern. Question number 1. Use the table below to answer the question. Rahul is selling candy bars for his school. See here, this table is given, here day is written, here bars sold is written. So on Monday Rahul sold 3 bars, on Tuesday he sold 6 bars, on Wednesday he sold 9 bars. So on Thursday, here question mark is there, so you have to tell how many bars will he sell on Thursday. Okay, so if the pattern continues, how many bars will Rahul sell on Thursday? Okay, option A 4, option B 5, option C 10, option D 12. You need to select the correct option out of these given 4 options. So here beta, answer is by adding 3. 9 plus 3 equal to 12. Clear? See here, by adding 3, 3 plus 3, 6. By adding 3, 6 plus 3, 9. So by adding 3 in 9, our answer will be 12. Okay, 9 plus 3 equal to 12. So option D, 12 is correct. Clear? In homework solutions, now we will discuss question number 2. Question number 2. Which number is missing from this sequence? 17, 26, 35, dash, 53. Option A 43, option B 38, option C 44, option D 37. Okay, you need to select the correct option out of these given 4 options. Okay, so here beta, first of all you have to find the difference between first 2 given numbers. Okay, so difference between first 2 given number is 9. 26 minus 17 equal to 9. Okay, now we have found the difference, that is 9. So we will add 9 in this given number 17. See, answer by adding 9. 17 plus 9 equal to 26. Okay, now we will again add 9 in 26. Okay, so 26 plus 9 equal to 35. Okay, now again we will add 9 in 35. Okay, 35 plus 9 equal to 44. So our answer is 44. Which option is correct option? C is correct. So option C 44 is correct. Clear beta? Now in homework solutions, we will discuss question number 3. Question number 3 is beta, which set of numbers show the rule below? Add by 2. Clear beta? Option A 2, 6, 10, 14. Option B 13, 11, 9, 7. Option C 11, 13, 15, 17. Option D 10, 13, 16, 19. Okay, you need to select the correct option out of these given four options. Okay, what does it mean beta here? You have to tell which set of numbers. Here set of numbers are given in four options. You have to tell which set of numbers show the rule of adding by 2. Okay, so that set is option C 11, 13, 15, 17. How? 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 2 17. So which option is correct? Option C is correct. Answer option C 11, 13, 15, 17 is correct. Clear? In homework solutions, now we will discuss question number 4. See question number 4. Write the next 4 terms in each sequence. Part 1 40, 35, 30, 25, dash, 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 dash. Here beta, this number series is given and you have to write the next 4 terms in these blanks. Clear beta? See, first of all, this number series is given in descending order. Okay, so we have to find out the difference between first two given numbers. Okay, first two given numbers are 40 and 35. 40 minus 35, 5. Now we have found the difference, that is 5. ओके, अब हम उस डिफरेंस को हर नंबर में से माइनस करते जाएंगे. ओके, 40 minus 5 35, 35 minus 5 30, 30 minus 5 25. Okay, 25 minus 5 20. Okay, 20 minus 5 15, 15 minus 5 10, 10 minus 5 5. Clear? Now in part 2, 70, 60, 50, 40, dash, 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 dash. Here beta in part 2, this number series is given and this number series is also given in descending order. Okay, first of all we will find out the difference between first two given numbers. First two given numbers are 70, 60. 70 minus 60, 10. Okay, now we have found the difference, that is 10. अब हम हर नंबर में से, ईच नंबर में से 10 10 को माइनस करेंगे. 70 minus 10 60, 60 minus 10 50, 50 minus 10 40, 40 minus 10 30, 30 minus 10 20, 20 minus 10 10, 10 minus 10 0. Clear? Now in part 3, 2, 4, 8, comma 16, comma dash 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 dash. Okay, see here beta, this number series is given and we have to follow the pattern. Okay, see, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 32, 64, 64 plus 64, 128, 128 plus 128 equal to 256. Clear? Part 4. 18, 25, 32, 39, dash 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 dash. Here beta, this number series is given in ascending order. Okay, first of all you have to find out the difference between first two given numbers. First two given numbers are 18, 25. Okay, we have to subtract 18 from 25. 25 minus 18, 7. Now we have found the difference, that is 7. This number series is given in ascending order. Now we will add the given difference in each number. 18 plus 7, 25, 25 plus 7, 32, 32 plus 7, 39, 39 plus 7, 46, 46 plus 7, 53, 53 plus 7, 60, 60 plus 7, 67. Clear? Now in homework solutions, we will discuss question number 5. What are the missing numbers? 21, 28, dash, dash, 49, dash. Option A, 26, 28, 34. Option B, 27, 29, 35. Option C, 27, 30, 36. Option D, 35, 42, 56. So beta answer is option D. 35, 42, 56 is correct. How? See, you have to find out the difference between first two given numbers. 28 minus 21 equal to 7. Difference is 7 and this sequence is in ascending order. Okay, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 7, 35, 35 plus 7, 42, 42 plus 7, 49, 49 plus 7, 56. So option D is correct. Clear?